Smart people are not just born with intelligence. They build wisdom through discipline, choices, and habits that shape their lives. What makes them stand out is not only their knowledge, but their ability to apply it. Today, I will share with you 7 powerful rules that smart people follow, and if you start applying them, they can transform your life too. One of the strongest qualities of truly smart people is their ability to think before they speak. Words are powerful. They can build trust or break relationships, inspire hope or create regret. A single careless sentence can damage your reputation, while a thoughtful response can open doors of respect and opportunity. Smart people understand that silence is not weakness. In fact, it is a sign of self-control and intelligence. They do not rush to speak just to prove themselves right. Instead, they pause, analyze the situation, and choose words that add value. They ask themselves, is what I am about to say true? Is it kind? Is it necessary? This habit protects them from unnecessary conflicts and misunderstandings. While others may react out of impulse or emotion, smart people respond with clarity and wisdom. By thinking before they speak, they gain the ability to influence people positively, earn respect, and maintain peace in their personal and professional lives. Smart people know that time is the most precious asset in life. Unlike money, status, or material things, once time is gone, it can never be earned back. That's why they guard their time carefully, treating every hour as an investment in their future. They don't waste their days on gossip, endless scrolling, or meaningless distractions. Instead, they plan their priorities, focus on what truly matters, and use their energy wisely. Smart people understand that how you spend your time shapes the quality of your life. For them, every moment is an opportunity to grow. Whether it's reading, learning new skills, nurturing meaningful relationships, or working toward their goals, they know that small, consistent efforts compound into great achievements. While others live by chance, smart people live by choice. They respect their own time and also respect the time of others, which makes them reliable and trustworthy. They realize that valuing time is not about being busy, it's about being purposeful and intentional in every action. Smart people understand that mistakes are not failures, they are lessons in disguise. While many people fear making mistakes and try to hide them, smart people embrace them as opportunities to grow. They know that every successful person has failed countless times, but what sets them apart is their ability to learn, adapt, and try again with more wisdom. Instead of blaming others or making excuses, they take responsibility for their errors and ask themselves, what can I learn from this experience? This mindset allows them to turn setbacks into stepping stones and obstacles into opportunities. Smart people see mistakes as part of the process of improvement. They don't allow one failure to define them. Instead, they analyze what went wrong, adjust their strategy, and move forward with greater clarity. Each mistake becomes a valuable teacher, shaping their character, building resilience, and sharpening their decision-making skills. While others may quit after failing once, smart people understand that persistence, fueled by lessons learned, is the true path to success. They view mistakes not as the end of the road, but as signposts guiding them toward better choices and greater achievements. Smart people understand that true strength is not in reacting quickly, but in responding wisely. Emotions are powerful. Anger can destroy relationships, fear can hold you back, and jealousy can poison your heart. But when emotions are controlled, they can become a force for clarity, motivation, and discipline. Unlike those who let anger dictate their words or decisions, smart people take a step back. They pause, breathe, and evaluate the situation before acting. They know that one reaction in the heat of the moment can create a lifetime of regret. By keeping calm under pressure, they protect their peace of mind and earn the respect of others. Controlling emotions does not mean ignoring them, it means mastering them. Smart people acknowledge how they feel, but they do not allow feelings to control their choices. They turn frustration into focus, sadness into strength, and fear into courage. This emotional discipline gives them an edge in every aspect of life, whether it's resolving conflicts, handling criticism, or making important decisions. While others are easily shaken by stress or provocation, smart people remain steady, balanced, and in control. Smart people know that drama is a thief of peace, energy, and focus. Arguments, gossip, and toxic relationships drain the mind and distract from what truly matters. That's why they stay away from unnecessary conflicts and avoid people who thrive on negativity. They understand that not every comment deserves a response, not every battle is worth fighting, and not every person deserves a seat at their table. Instead of wasting energy on proving themselves right or seeking validation, smart people protect their mental space. They walk away from situations that threaten their peace, because they know peace is more valuable than being right. By avoiding drama, smart people conserve their energy for meaningful goals, healthy relationships, and personal growth. They choose conversations that inspire, environments that nurture growth, and people who uplift rather than drain. It's not that they are weak or afraid of confrontation. It's that they are wise enough to know that indulging in chaos is a waste of time and emotional strength. Their calm presence and ability to rise above drama often inspires others to do the same, making them leaders in both action and attitude. Smart people understand that knowledge has no finish line. No matter how much they achieve or how successful they become, they know there is always more to learn. They are lifelong students, constantly seeking wisdom from books, experiences, mentors, and even from their failures. They don't see learning as something limited to school or college. It is a daily habit. Whether it's reading a few pages of a book, listening to podcasts, observing successful people, or asking questions, smart people stay curious. Curiosity keeps their minds sharp, their ideas fresh, and their perspectives wide. Unlike those who become arrogant and think they already know everything, smart people remain humble. They approach life with the mindset of a learner, knowing that every person they meet and every challenge they face carries a lesson. This commitment to learning keeps them adaptable in a world that is constantly changing. While others get stuck because they resist growth, smart people evolve, upgrade their skills, and stay ahead. They know that the more they learn, the more opportunities open up, and the more confident and capable they become. Smart people know that the moment you blame others for your situation, you give away your power. That is why they take full responsibility for their actions, decisions, and outcomes. Instead of pointing fingers at circumstances, society, or people around them, they ask themselves, what can I do differently? How can I change this situation? They understand that life is not always fair. Setbacks, failures, and challenges will come, but they refuse to live as victims. Taking responsibility doesn't mean life will be perfect. It means you choose to stand in control no matter what happens. When something goes wrong, instead of complaining, smart people reflect on what could have been done better. This attitude gives them the strength to learn, adjust, and grow. It allows them to build resilience because they know every choice they make is shaping their future. By owning their lives, smart people gain independence. They don't wait for others to save them or for luck to change their destiny. They take action, make decisions with clarity, and accept both the successes and failures that come with them. Responsibility for them is not a burden, it is freedom, because when you accept that your life is in your hands, you also realize that your potential has no limits. Smart people don't just exist, they live with direction and meaning. They know that drifting through life without purpose leads to wasted time, missed opportunities, and regret. That's why they take the time to define what truly matters to them and align their actions with their bigger vision. Living with purpose gives them clarity. Every decision they make, whether big or small, is guided by their values and long-term goals. Instead of chasing every distraction or following the crowd, they focus on what brings them closer to their mission. Smart people understand that purpose is what fuels consistency. When the journey gets tough, when motivation fades, it is their sense of purpose that keeps them moving forward. It gives them the strength to endure challenges, the patience to wait for results, and the courage to take risks. They also realize that purpose is not always about grand achievements. It can be about serving others, creating positive change, or simply becoming the best version of themselves. By living intentionally, they find fulfillment in their work, joy in their relationships, and meaning in their struggles. For smart people, purpose is not something they wait to discover. It is something they actively create every single day. These 7 rules, guided by a final purpose, are what sets smart people apart. They think before they speak, value their time, learn from mistakes, control their emotions, avoid unnecessary drama, never stop learning, take responsibility, and above all, they live with purpose. If you begin to practice these principles in your own life, you will notice a shift, not just in the way people see you, but but in the way you see yourself. You'll walk with more confidence, make decisions with more clarity, and attract opportunities that once seemed out of reach. Remember, intelligence is not about knowing everything, it's about living wisely. And when you apply these rules consistently, you're not just living smart, you're living with strength, peace, and direction.